Hello, welcome to our channel. For nearly half a century, Voyager 1 has continued its silent journey through the darkness of space. It has traveled farther than any human-made object in history. It has crossed into interstellar space. It has transformed our understanding of the solar system. And even today, it continues sending valuable scientific data back to Earth. But every journey has a future. And every machine has its limits. Voyager 1 does not have an endless source of power. Its electricity comes from a radioisotope power system. Year after year, that power slowly decreases. Mission engineers carefully manage every remaining watt. Scientific instruments are switched off one by one. Only the most essential systems remain active. Every decision is made with one goal: to keep Voyager communicating for as long as possible. One day, that communication will finally end. Not because Voyager has reached the end of its journey, but because it will no longer have enough power to operate. Its radio transmitter will fall silent. Its instruments will stop collecting data. Its voice will disappear into the silence of space. But its journey will not end. Without engines pushing it forward, Voyager will continue moving through the Milky Way using its existing momentum. No fuel is needed. No new commands are required. It will simply keep traveling. Year after year, century after century, million after million of years. Long after today's cities have changed. Long after today's civilizations have evolved. Voyager will still be moving among the stars. Attached to its side remains one of humanity's most remarkable creations: the Golden Record, a golden phonograph record carrying sounds and images from Earth. It contains greetings in many languages, natural sounds from our planet, music from different cultures, scientific information, and a symbolic message from humanity. It was never intended as a practical communication device. Instead, it represents hope, curiosity, and the desire to connect with the unknown. Will another civilization ever discover it? The honest answer is simple: nobody knows. The Milky Way is unimaginably vast. The distances between stars are enormous. The chance of a direct encounter may be extremely small. Yet the possibility can never be completely ruled out. If another intelligent civilization ever finds Voyager, they may discover a silent messenger carrying the story of a distant blue planet. A planet called Earth. They may hear our music, see our images, study our mathematics, and realize that somewhere in this galaxy, another civilization once looked toward the stars with curiosity. Perhaps the greatest achievement of Voyager 1 is not the distance it has traveled. Perhaps its greatest achievement is what it represents. It represents cooperation, engineering, science, exploration, and the timeless human desire to understand the unknown. Every signal it has sent, every discovery it has made, every kilometer it has traveled, has expanded humanity's understanding of the universe. In 1990, Voyager looked back and captured the famous pale blue dot, a tiny point of light suspended in the vast darkness. That image quietly reminded humanity of something profound. Every person in history, every civilization, every success, every challenge, every dream, existed on that tiny world. From billions of kilometers away, our differences became invisible. Only our shared home remained. Voyager's mission continues to inspire scientists, engineers, students, and dreamers around the world. It proves that imagination, combined with determination, can create achievements that outlast generations. One day, its final signal will arrive. Mission controllers will receive the last transmission. And then, silence. But silence does not mean the end. Voyager will continue its endless voyage through interstellar space. A quiet ambassador carrying humanity's story into the galaxy. Perhaps forever. Its mission reminds us that exploration is not only about reaching new places. It is about asking new questions, seeking new knowledge, and leaving something meaningful behind. From a small planet orbiting an ordinary star, humanity built a machine that reached beyond the solar system. A machine that continues traveling where no human has ever gone. This is not only the story of Voyager 1. It is the story of human curiosity itself. And as long as Voyager continues moving through the stars, a small part of humanity travels with it. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to our channel. For more cinematic documentaries about science, technology, history, space, evolution, and the mysteries of our universe.